Come vibe with me. Come laugh with me. Subscribe to Jaylanas. Subscribe to Jaylanas, yeah.
Jumping. Judy. Oh, what's this? Doesn't know break. Lord, you know, break our clothes spend. He just doesn't care about me and the money that I spend in this life. I'm making fry bake. I don't know if you all could see. I put the my phone charging, but I now put the dough to set there. I just relaxed and settled down, I'm looking like a spranger, so I'm not showing my face. I was now taking a shower, y'all, and current went. I don't know if you guys can tell because, well, let me close this. Can you still no, but my flash is on. Watch this. Oh god, it's still carrying me. Okay, you can tell now. So current going. Oh, you can see me here. Hi. I now came out of the shower. Current and I'm going. And no what am I saying? Oh, current going and rain are falling. That's the point I'm trying to make here. Let me show you all the weather. See, it's like real rain. You guys can see real rain and no current. And I have no date. If you can see me. Yeah, you can see me. And my eyes are so dark. Does it look that bad? Wow, I didn't even know it looked that bad. But anyways, yeah, so I ordered a roti and I need to go get it. So this really needs to know what it's doing with its life. But yeah, that's my day basically. Rainy weather, no current. I'm definitely going to put on a day plan and get the hell out of here because I don't like to stay home when there's no current. Like, I'll get hot and bored and stuff. So yeah. Y'all, I have not been vlogging properly at all, like at all. Like back to another weekly vlog. I picked up Ifa. Right, and we come KFC, right? You can see. And the thing is, I ain't gonna pay yet, right? So we go see if I get embarrassed or not. Like at this point, y'all, I don't even care. If it decline, y'all, I don't even care. I don't even gonna get my excuse. I gonna be like, so I can watch somewhere else. Like I don't even care there. Like that's the point I reach in my life. I don't care no more. So let me see all let me see if my card going and decline or not, right? No, I have 3. So let's see. You see.
Decline.
Yeah, you said I will stop today. Thank you. Hey, y'all, how funny. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Maria. Oh, God. What happened? Hey guys, so I want to pop you guys up like probably here. I really need like a tripod, a car mount. Again, most of the things I freaking need, but basically I want another giveaway. Oh, a roller calling me. Oh, is this? Yeah guys, so as I was saying, so I am in Price Plaza. I don't know if you guys could see like the, probably just seen the car. I don't know what to show you. Let me show you a Subway. I would have liked to have my first Subway today, I'm not gonna lie, but rain is falling and I hazards the babies. But I just collected a giveaway. That's those 2 items there and I'm really excited. I have no credit. I wanted to see if Kami, like I could have probably go by Kami to eat the stuff, but I'm no credit. I'm so excited if to open it here or just now. Oh god. surprising her is, what if she's not home? Yo, what if she's not home? Then I'm just surprising myself. Like, surprise, he's a jackass, you know? Guys, so this is what I got.
Yes, baby.
Let me open it.
Let's open it. Y'all walk out. Yes, you y'all walk out. Any light now, walk out. My baby walk.
Vampire, real life Vampire Diaries. She's Elena. I wonder which one is Damon and which one is Stefan. Damon is the older one, so Jaydan is Damon.
But she just forget everything about Jaydan when she see Milan, you know.
Of course, so Milan is Damon.
She like Jaydan when Jaydan is by himself, but when Milan here, it's just Milan.
Oh god.
Hot like food in the pot. But the thing just like a full stop. You want shot in the road. Bend over like your back have a load. Them rest a gal them looking like toad. You're outside, you're in a whining mode. You and your team them winning in a short shorts. If you're out of time and start to port ties them strong like a fort. Make that bumper jiggle on the floor. Where you bounce, shake that thing. Bounce, shake that thing. And where you bounce, shake that thing. Bounce, shake that thing. And where you bounce, shake that thing.
Also, Kami is swagging Jaydan out right now. She's cleaning JD's hair. This is exactly one of the reasons why probably God didn't bless me with a girl child, because I do not know. I don't know how to cleaner, y'all. So I will show you guys the end result.
Left, right. Y'all, you know that thing does bite. Y'all bounce. Yes, you. I want you bounce. Yes, y'all. Just bounce. Yes, you. Y'all.
Hey guys, so I am moving. I was just a bit stressed, so I bathed. I bathed so that I could just like think about things in terms of, you know, okay, I had to pack, I had to clean, I had to breastfeed, and I know fall asleep. Alright, this is me and Jaydan, and I ordered KFC, so I'm gonna go get it now, so just so that I could, at least my belly would be full and wouldn't be starving and dying. So I'm gonna go get it. I got Thai. I do not like Thai. I specifically tell the woman, like, you know, only one leg. Probably thinking, well, I get one leg. No, I wanted both legs. I do eat Thai, but I eating it. Okay, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Thank you. I love you. You know, he's my favorite big son. Milan is my favorite little son, and he's my favorite big son. Like, I wouldn't want any other son to be my big son. You know, he's my favorite big firstborn, and I wouldn't want any other boy to be my firstborn. If I have to do it all over again, I'm doing it all over again just to get you and Milan all over again. You know that? I love you. So I didn't have any baking soda, so I made my banana bread with baking powder. So far, by the looks, the difference is the color. This one is fair skin. So I'm interested to see the taste. I also didn't have any parchment paper to put underneath. But yeah, I'm really intrigued to see how it will taste, if it have a difference in taste. So far it have a difference in color, but I did do the knife test and it was fine. So let's see. So I cut piece. This is how it look on the inside. Now it's just a taste. I know, I have a faint part. Okay, he doesn't care that it's up. So I was now about to make shrimp pasta and my gas done. So I was studying to save the shrimp, my boy. If it is, I put some butter on a plate and I put the shrimp there, right? Like, if it could possibly cook in the microwave, like, what y'all think? Because I'm not wasting my shrimp, and I'm not going to buy back a next gas tank right now because, like I said, I'm moving. So what am I doing? Like, I'm gonna try it and see you all. We do it like a minute at a time. Put the butter in the middle right? Just see how it comes out, you know. Remember, what don't kill the cotton. This is how much I have left of my banana bread. It really tastes like really good though. So it really doesn't matter if you use baking powder or baking soda, because it tastes lovely, and the fact that it's fair skin made no difference. Tastes lovely. Okay, so this is it after 1 minute. As you can see, the color is starting to come in. The butter is still which hasn't fully melted, so I'm gonna put it back for another minute, but I do think it's cooking and it looks pretty good. If only I could have made the whole pasta in there, but I ain't gonna waste all my groceries. You don't know the heavy cream is so damn expensive, right? Okay, what's here in the sizzle all here? I'm gonna taste piece of one and see where's the steam. Yeah, man. I don't even think this needs to cook anymore. That is a day. Alright, you can cook shrimp in the microwave, fella. So I'm going to eat this and watch the next episode of Too Hot to Handle. I know it finished, but I haven't finished. I haven't finished watch. So yeah. Thing look good. Good. Oh wait, you know what? I'm going to try to put some cheese. Hold on. Let me see how it works with cheese all here. Wait for a little 30 seconds. It reminds me of the cheese from That's So Raven, the cheese episode, except this one is not stinky. So I'm excited. It tastes good though. Most important. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, all there. This is a nice little dish right here, you know. Yeah, man, all there. And a nice little seasoning, so good. Yeah, man, all there. Yeah, man.
Subscribe.